Ever wonder what your neighbor's pool really looks like, but just can't see past the fence?
So it's really 4 pools in one.
Well, don't worry. We've done all the dirty work for you.
This outdoor living area is massive.
And what you will see is going to blow your mind.
This is the place to be. We just have fun.
We could have never dreamed that we'd have that in our backyard in a million years.
So, bust out that lounge chair and soak it all in, because we're showing you the most epic pools around the country. The only question is, which one will leave you saying, best pool ever? These pools offer something for every member of the family. These are the best family fun pools.
Pool is brought to you by the letter R.
And this enormous riverside pool in Texas,
I didn't realize the type of pool it was going to be.
with a distinctively personal touch.
He drew it out on a napkin. He said, "What about this?" And I go, "That's perfect."
This next pool is 4 pools in one,
We've got it all at the River Ranch.
and it's branded with a signature stamp that's for these homeowners and no one else.
No matter what it is, if he's gonna do it, he's gonna do it big.
Sometimes it takes a pool professional to take a risk in their own backyard.
I was sitting down at the local community pool with my children. I thought, why am I doing this? I'm in the pool business. I should build my own pool.
I said, I was thinking the same thing. I didn't realize the type of pool it was going to be.
We got a volleyball pool, a 65-foot negative edge, a huge island with a rock waterfall, a grotto cave you can swim into, a bridge, a slide, and over here we have a diving board. We've got it all at the River Ranch.
Most folks don't even realize that it's an R.
Because without money on the line, most folks would not come up with a design like this.
We were sitting around talking, and he said, whatever salesman designs my pool, there's a $500 bonus. So I whip out a napkin, and I sketch out this R, and I'm thinking, well, this will be something for JR's ego.
Obviously, our last name is Richard, but I also like to think of it as our place is called the River Ranch. He drew it out on a napkin. He said, "What about this?" And I go, "That's perfect."
And he went and built the pool, but I never got the $500.
There was a point right when I dug the pool, she came outside and she saw it on a napkin. She had no idea the size and scope of the pool. After it was dug, she was freaking out about how big it was. And I was wanting to make it even bigger.
No matter what it is, if he's gonna do it, he's gonna do it big.
This pool is 330 perimeter feet. It's 3,000 square feet. It's 130,000 gallons. This pool is about 6 times larger than a normal pool.
The first thing that you really see is this beautiful island in the middle that kind of invites you into the pool.
The island alone is 28 feet long and 16 feet wide. The island is as big as a normal pool.
One of the most amazing features of the island is that there's seating all the way around it. There's also spa jets all the way around that you can adjust so you can get a massage. So not only is it one of the biggest pools in Texas, it's also the biggest hot tub in the United States. One of the most exciting things about this Big R pool, not only is it 4 pools in one, a pool that is big in scale and has so many features, but it's so incredibly inviting.
We entertain quite a bit, and we especially enjoy entertaining with our family.
It's peaceful and everyone can just relax, have a good time here.
You having fun, Janie? Can't ask for anything better.
Even if it's outside of the pool or inside the pool, there's just plenty of places to hang out and like sunbathe and relax.
We just have a great time, and the kids just enjoy everything.
I just have a lot of memories with this pool, and all my friends always seem to come over and just be completely amazed.
There's a bunch of stuff to do. You never get bored.
It's always fun to build something and see it come to life. It was everything I wanted in a pool.
These folks had enough with the long lines at the adventure parks. and built one of their own right in their own backyard. Through the power of imagination, they created an unforgettable experience for their friends and whole family to enjoy.